Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Thursday and it's the day after FOMC. And I took two trades today actually. I made $280 on the Express. But I forgot to take trades on the Combine, so no trades here today. So I'll walk you guys through what my idea was for the day and what trades I took. So coming into the day, yesterday was FOMC like I said, and after that we had just ran up. So and we were at all-time high. So I was just looking for us to retrace back down to then be able to catch along after that, which actually happened. And we didn't have too much liquidity here to target right before open. So I wanted us to build price here and make internal highs to target mostly, and for us to manipulate down to then distribute up. So here we have open right here. We first go down, we make this SMT, but I did not enter since we were too high in the range. I want to see at least ES or NQ. I want to see ES or NQ sweep Asia, at least London lows, but most likely Asia and London lows. So I just saw this as manipulation move up and for us to build liquidity to then target. We were also in this 30-minute bearish rally gap right here, which we reacted down from. So then we go down with momentum here. We build some value gaps and we come into this 15-minute bullish inversed value gap. This is basically a zone I want to see a retrace from, because ES had already ran down and taken out Asia lows, and it was within this, I think, 4 hour. 1 hour. It was 1 hour bullish rally gap. So I wanted to see ES find support here and for us to not take out these lows and have this SMT. So we also made a close by SMT here, a candle in the 1 minute. In the 30 second it is more clear here. So ES took out this low while NQ didn't, so we made this small SMT while also having this higher time frame SMT. We made momentum up. This can be seen as the manipulation move up for us to resweep, and then we get the disrespect of this value gap. First this small one and also this big one. We get the disrespect and also the cyst. So here I entered. I waited like 1 second because I want to see us retrace back, but once I saw that we didn't, I entered 3 contracts here. Only 3 contracts because I wanted to add to the position once we came back to this cyst line right here. Here is where I want to enter more because my entry right here was quite bad, and I think I had my SL right here, which was not the best RR and very big SL. So I didn't want to enter my full position here. So I entered 3 to then fill once we got here. But we just ran up, came into this our first presented FEG in the 1 minute, this bearish one. And once I saw that we were respecting this here, I went to break even. Because my idea was that if we were going to retrace down, we were going to do it right here. None of the assets, ES or NQ, had taken this high. So I was very certain we were still bullish and going to go up. But I also felt like we're going to retrace down here. And we're going to retrace down below my break-even line. So I just wanted to take money off the table on this one. And I had break-even here, which ended up getting hit. And my idea was to go break-even here and to then target or then to re-enter once we got confirmation for it, which is what I did. We came down and we got below my BE line here, and then we came down into this 1 minute, 2 minute, and I think also 3 minute bullish rally gap here. We rebalanced this price range, came into the golden pocket here, and then we made this big move up in the 30 second. This is what I want to see to re-enter. I want to see the 30 second disrespect and also this 30 second cyst. I only took 3 contracts on this trade as well because my entry was very high up and this candle shot up very fast and became very volatile, and I got kind of scared there there, because sometimes when we do this and then we retrace back into the candle, we sometimes just move down right after. But I should have sized harder. I did not risk a lot on this trade, and I only made $280, which I am not too happy about. It's very nice to finally take a TP trade though, as you can see here. I've taken only losses here, and it's good to finally take a TP trade, even though it's a small one, to know that it is possible again to take TP trades, and it feels like price is starting to get better, and it's only one day after FOMC, so maybe that was the pressure that needed to be released. But yeah, after we get a close, I entered 3 contracts, and my idea was to enter 5, but I got scared and only entered 3, and then I went break even at this high, and I had my TP1 at this high, which was also right below this 5-minute untouched bearish value gap, so TP1 here, and then I had my full TP at these range highs, you can say, these range highs right here. There's where I had my full TP, which also got hit. So took off 2 contracts here and held 1 runner to this level. And I was kind of shaky and I really wanted to close my position with my one last contract, like before we hit this line. I am very happy I didn't close it and actually held it to TP, because that is what matters and what really makes a profitable trader, being able to stick to rules and not acting emotionally. So good thing I did not close it before and actually held TP. I could have held it to all-time highs, but I felt like only targeting low-hanging fruit was the right move, and this was kind of stretching it for me actually, but it was very clear we wanted to go up, and it also aligns a lot with the higher time frame narrative, since we're a lot bullish here, and it was my A+ setup, this one. Only thing is I should have sized harder maybe, but it is what it is. I will next time, since now I'm only down $200 on the account, and it just feels so good to finally take a winning trade again. You start to get the confidence back, and this was a very good day for trading. Really good price action. Both of these are very good setups. Kind of sad I forgot to take this on the combine, because here I'm not afraid to size. I probably would have taken like at least 10 contracts and could have made like 1.5k almost. But I forgot it, and because I was so stressed in the moment. This was my first express trade in like how many days? 1, 2, 3, in 4 days. So yeah, that was a trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.